Hi, my name is Julie James, and it's nice to meet you. Oh, this is my third class in my MSN program for education. Looking at some of the other videos, I'm guessing this class is for education and leadership. So it'll be interesting to get some feedback and knowledge from folks who are in a different track than me. Excuse me. I graduated from my BSN program in Topeka in December of 98, and then I went to work for one of the larger hospitals in Topeka. I worked in PACU and loved it. I did some charge nurse there, and then I went on to the emergency department and worked the weekend night program there while I homeschooled my kids and loved that. And then about 10 years ago now, my husband got a job here in Hiawatha, Kansas, so we moved up here, and I'm currently working at a Critical Access Hospital about 20 minutes north in Falls City, Nebraska. And it was a huge change moving from a larger hospital to a critical access hospital, not to mention the fact that I couldn't do just ER anymore. I do the med-surg floor as well, which has given me a lot of experience and love for the patient interactions. In the bigger hospital, it seemed like we were just shooting them through, getting them in, getting them out. But in the critical access hospital, the staff that I work with, they know and love and are usually related to the patients we take care of. And it's definitely slower. It took me a long time to get used to that, but the patients get more care and they can feel the love from the staff, which I really appreciate being able to be a part of that. I love teaching baby nurses, and so my goal is to be a clinical educator. I would love to work in the hospital, educate all staff, specifically the nurses, but if I'm needed to help with any other education, that's fine by me. I'm not great at speaking in front of people, so that's a skill that I'm really going to have to work on. So yeah, I'm really looking forward to getting to know all of you and hear from you and learn from your experiences and learn and grow together. And I hope we have a great term. Thanks.